Hello and welcome, guys. You must be very excited for your wedding day to come. But with the feeling of excitement, you must be also a little tensed or in a confusion how you would be looking on the day. So I am here to solve your this problem. Congratulations to all the bride to be. Today we will get to know how to get that perfect glowing skin and toned body on your wedding day. Beside getting everything ready for the day externally, let's look something which helps you prepare internally for the day. If you're not a diet person, go for a walk every day or do some weight training and cardio at least 30 to 45 minutes daily. This will help you increase the blood flow in your skin and give you internal glow. Take good amount of water every day like 3 to 4 liters to stay hydrated and take good sleep. These are three major steps simply to get glow, but for overall texture and improvement of your skin, hair and nail to look clean and toned, you must follow the given diet. This diet help you get weight loss of 5 kg in a month and stop taking any kind of junks which will lead you give a dull skin and stop the result of your diet. So let's see what is the bridal diet all about. Hello and welcome, guys. You must be very excited for your wedding day to come, but with the feeling of excitement, you must also be little tensed or in confusion how you would be looking on your wedding day. So I am here to solve your this problem. Congratulations to all the bride to be. Today we will get to know how to get that perfect glowing skin and toned body for your wedding day. Beside getting everything ready for your wedding day externally, let's look something which will give you internal glow and beauty. So, if you had your wedding day in a month or two, this is the perfect time for you to get ready for your wedding day to look that great. So, if you had your wedding day a month later, what best than this? You have best time to get prepared for all the day to look perfect. Even if you are not a diet person, following a simple lifestyle change can give you a best result. 30 to 45 minutes daily. But to look improvement of your skin, hair and nail texture, you must go for a bridal diet. This diet will help you provide all the necessary nutrients and minerals needed for the wedding day. This diet also help you lose 5 kgs weight in a month.